So we are getting ready to start on this Black Widow. I've got her primed, all the seams done. Obviously things are just mocked up, not glued in place like the guns and her holsters and her head. I'm going to do those separately. Some hair pieces are not glued in because, I obviously want to be able to get to her face. I'm still trying to decide whether I'm going to go with the black uniform or the white uniform. Haven't decided yet. Right now she's just in primer, and amazing model from Mega at VX Studios. Amazing, absolutely beautiful quality, and printed really well. Everything fit together like it's supposed to, and I can't wait to get painting on her. I just can't decide what color scheme I want to go with. Makes me want to print too. Yeah, so let's see if I can get my camera to focus. Get her off the base here. Oh, and see, there goes her gun. She is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So once I decide where we're going to go color-wise, and then we'll go. I can definitely start on her face. I've got a few layer lines that I'm going to work on. I tend to be a perfectionist when it comes to smoothness, so I want to get those sanded on her forehead, a couple on her cheeks that I can see. So yeah, we'll get that worked out, and then we'll decide what we're going to do color-wise. It looks to me like everybody's going with the white uniform. I tend to go a little bit off with everybody else. I made a joke in the group. I may go with pink camo, and I still may go with some crazy off-the-wall color. I don't know. In my imagination, she definitely does something more than black and white. She's a woman. We like to change it up on her downtime. Anyway, that's the model as it is right now. So I will post another one once I start going, and maybe some while I'm painting, airbrushing. We'll just have to see how loud my compressor is and if you can hear me over the compressor, or it may just be a watch me paint and I won't talk because I tend to not shut up. Anyway, that's it. Follow me if you want to follow this build and paint job, and like and subscribe. I enjoy having people watch what I do. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them below. Thank you.